I got a sewing machine. Let's unbox it together. Do you like my pink scissors? I like my pink scissors. I don't know how to get this open. Close enough. Okay, so as some of you know, I really like to thrift. I love thrifting. It's where I get like 90% of my wardrobe hang on. So I really love thrifting, and I buy all these clothes, but sometimes they're just like not perfectly. Oh, they don't always fit perfect. That's just kind of how thrifting works. And I've been learning to sew at school in my textiles class, and I wanted to be able to alter my own clothes. How do I get this out here? So, look at her. Give us some lovely instructions that I'm going to use. A box. Why are there so many boxes? And a bag. But anyway, so I got a sewing machine, so now I can alter all my clothes that I thrift. I don't know what's in there. Oh, look at it! I didn't know all this came with it. Teeny tiny scissors and another seam ripper. I already have 2. And another measuring tape. I already have 3. And a thimble. I already have one of those too. Oh, okay, so it comes with a buttonhole presser foot, so I can sew buttons into stuff, which is really cool. I have no clue what this is. A bobbin. Another bobbin. A threader. A something. Thread. And more thread. They give us some lovely diagrams. I'm not gonna read, but they're beautiful.